Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your character on the Warface game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Warface game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now within this page, you may not be allowed to change your player right away. So in order to change their appearance somewhat, you will have the access within the inventory menu. Just tap on inventory from the home page, and now you will be able to customize the loadout of your player. Within this page, you will see the switch team option, which you can click on, or you can also tap on the T button within your keyboard. When you tap on this, you will see that the appearance color of your player will be changed, and based on this, you can choose which team you would like to play as, which will also change your appearance once you have completed a few more matches and ranked up within your game. You will be allowed to either update your player, and you will also be allowed to change characters. And there you have it. That is how you can change your appearance within the Warface game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.